Hey guys, so I'm out here with my bike light and I have my bike here, so I'm gonna put it on and show you guys kind of how it works. And so this is what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna unbox it here for you. And so it comes with the instructions for it. And then here is the light itself. So it's a nice sturdy light. I mean, I could totally drop it and that does nothing. It's a nice little, it's metal around it. And it's got these two light settings on it, so that's one of them. And then there's another one, so it changes the color of the light. It kind of goes from the bright, like bluish light per se, to the natural light. So there, I could show you it here. There's one setting, and then there's the other setting. And what's cool about this too is it's got the battery percent on it itself. And so what you can do is you can click whichever one you want, and then you can hold it down as well if you want it to be flashing or turn it off. And so you just click it once actually to turn to flashing, and then it'll go more flashing, and then it'll go solid. So solid, or there we go. Solid, and then flashing, and then more flashing. So that's cool. Let me click it there, and you just hold it to turn it off. And it's got this mount on it, so I'm going to throw it on here and show you guys kind of how the mount works. And so it comes with a charger too, and it's got the whole mount with it. So let me pull it out of here for you guys to see. So this is the mount itself that it comes with. It comes with the charger here, and this is the charger. It's just USB to USB-C. And then here is the mount itself. And what's nice is it comes with the backlight here. So there's the red one that you can use. So what you do is I'll show you guys how it's installed here. You wrap it around this. I want to make sure that you guys can see it while I'm installing it here. So I'm going to first show you the backlight here. And this one is simple. You wrap it around here, and then just knot that in right there, and then there we go, it's in there. And then this is the light itself, so you charge it through the charging port whenever you want, and then you just click the button, and it'll switch between red, blue, and flashing between red and blue. And so then all you do is you simply push it in this hole right here. There we go. And then you push it in. Well, you kind of got to do it before, but anyway, I'll show you guys how it works. You're supposed to do it before, so I'll show you guys. You pull this tab right here, and then you slide it in, and then it's in there. So then you just simply put it around here, and then there we go. And so now I have my light on the back of my bike. And then this, guys, so I just did the back, and I wanted to show you guys how the front works. And so you press this little switch, and you pop it in there, and then now it's in there. And then with this, you just clip it around, you push this back, and then you can unscrew this as much as you need, but you just push it back and then tighten it. So I'll bring it a little closer to show you guys how it works. Is you put it over the handlebar, you push this back, and then this goes over it, and then you just tighten this. So I'll show you guys. I'll put it on right here for you. And then I'm going right here. Going the wrong way, sorry. And then there we go. So now I have it tightened up on here. There we go. I mean, I can keep going as tight as I want it, but that's the light now, and it's nice and sturdy, like I said. And look, it's super powerful. I mean, this is in broad daylight. And so that's sweet. I like it because I got that, and then I got the back of my bike light too, and they both can switch colors, and they have different options. So this is perfect. I like it, and I'm giving this bike light a thumbs up.